Welcome back, creatives. In part 1, we went over crafting a concept for our book covers. Well, today we'll bring life to our books with custom illustrations. Now that we're back on our artboard, the idea that we came up with was to have the activities look as though they're popping out of the page. So we need the illustrations to do that. I went ahead and downloaded a few images, but we'll add some more information to the cover. And then add the images we previously downloaded. Lock them in place by pressing Ctrl and 2. Now grab the pencil so that we can trace the parts we want. We'll start with a straight line in this case. Now for the bottom of the one, we can draw a square and edit it so that it aligns. Select everything, hold Alt and drag the shape so that we can duplicate it. Now we'll build some shapes. So we want to make some shapes. And remember to remain consistent throughout all of your illustrations. Since there are a few that overlap each other, I'll separate them before selecting all of them. Now grab the shape builder tool And start by clicking and dragging the mouse through the parts we want to combine. I don't know how, but I forgot letters, so we'll just add those now and repeat the process that we just did. This is our pit stop for today. In our next chapter, we'll add some color to these illustrations before we finalize the cover design. If you found a bit of magic in today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until we meet again, keep dreaming, keep creating.